Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have a 2019 Ford Ecosport, front parking sensors, diamond cut alloys, remote central lock-in, keyless starting, one owner, reversing camera, rear parking sensors as well. When you lock the vehicle, the mirrors electronically park. When you unlock it, they come back out again. Side airbag, cloth and leather seats, handbook here, locking wheel nut key here. It has, I don't know if you can see it, the heated, you can just about see the wires, heated front screen. Nice extra to have. These obviously seats will fold down to give you a large luggage area. This door opens this way, like that. You can move this different heights basically if you wish. You can put this up on different heights. So you can have a double floor basically. Inflation kit. Clean car, electric rear windows as well, 4 electric windows this vehicle. Electric mirrors, electric folding mirrors, window switches, lock unlock, height adjustable driver's seat. Car's done 49,500 miles. To start the vehicle, put your foot on the brake, push this button here, that starts the vehicle up. Illuminated vanity mirrors. If you leave that on, this basically turns it off. Sunglass holder, illuminated mirrors, vanity mirror both sides. Sat nav, navigation there, mobile apps. So you got Sends, Apple CarPlay, voice control, audio.
Great in terms of music, right? So when I listen to my Spotify, it says, here's some songs to recommend for you.
Climate control, heated steering wheel, heated seats, and they do work really well. Heated front screen here, 2 USBs here, parking sensors you can turn off, traction control, stop start you can turn off if you wish. Don't know why you would want to turn it off, but you can do. Speed limit and cruise control here. Really nice warm steering wheel actually. You can change this menu here with this switch. You can zoom in and out there if you wish. Telephone, mobile apps. This turns the vehicle off. Turn the vehicle off there. You drive these to drive Tiptronically. These plus and minus here. It has auto lights as well. Yeah, you can See. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call.